Rexpert Rick here. When repairing, rebuilding, replacing, newly constructing, or altering a vehicle frame or suspension, wheel alignment is necessary. In my opinion, should be mandatory. Wheel alignment on the frame machine is key. The AutoVision measuring and alignment system so far is the only machine capable of performing both. While aligning your vehicle post-repair, replacement, or construction, you can be confident the measurements followed by your factory specifications are correct. Keep in mind, although alignment consists of caster, camber toe, and SAI, or steering axis inclination, they may not all allow for adjusting by simplistic tools of the trade and may require a tweak in the frame machine. Your tires and brakes are what keep you going and stopping, so be sure they're monitored. You want your vehicle to hit the road and nothing else. Be safe, keep your vehicle safe, and by all means get certified.